Hello everyone, this is Divya. Today we are going to discuss about the topic types of antenna. Let's go to the introduction to types of antennas. So mainly we'll know the definition of antenna. Antennas are the devices that can transmit and receive the electromagnetic waves. And the definition of the antenna, an antenna is an electronic device that can convert electric power into electromagnetic waves and vice versa. A signal from a transmission line or the guiding device like a coaxial cable is given to an antenna which then converts the signal into electromagnetic energy to be transmitted through space. There are major types of antennas will be used for the different applications. Understanding the different types of antenna is a very crucial for effective communication. Here we can see in the picture how antenna works. Here, the signals, electromagnetic waves were transmit and receiving the signal here. In the types of antenna, the dipole antenna is the major one. The dipole antenna is one of the type of wired antenna. A dipole antenna is one of the simplest and most common types of antenna. It is consist of the two metallic rods through which current and the frequency flow. This current and voltage makes an electromagnetic wave and the radio signals are get radiated. The antenna is consisting of a radiated element that splits the rods and makes current flow through the center by using a feeder at the transmitter out that takes from the receiver. We can see that in the picture there are different types of dipole antenna used as a RF antennas includes half wave, multiple, folded, non-resonant and so on. And the next type of antenna is Yagi-Uda antenna. It is a type of traveling wave antenna. Yagi-Uda antennas, also known as Yagi antennas, are directional antennas. It is a type of antenna is inexpensive and effective. It can be constructed with one or more reflector elements and one or more director elements that we can see in this picture. More driven elements and more director elements we can see here. Yagi antennas can also made by using antenna with one reflector, a driven folded dipole active element and directors mounted for horizontal polarization in the forward direction. It can be used commonly in the TV reception, Wi-Fi and point-to-point communication. And the next type is parabolic reflector antenna. This parabolic reflector antennas use a parabolic dish to focus radio waves. It is the radiating surface of a parabolic antenna has a very large dimensions compared to its wavelength. The geometrical opticals which depends upon the rays and wavefronts are used to know about certain features of these antennas. Certain important properties of these antennas can be studied by using ray optics and other antennas by using electromagnetic theory. It is one of the useful properties of this antenna is conversion of diverging spherical wavefront into a parallel wavefront that produce a focal point is very where the feed element is a place to transmit or receive the signals. Often it can be used in the satellite communications, radar system and microwave links. And the next one is log periodic antenna. A log periodic antenna is also named as a log periodic array. And log periodic antenna has a widely frequency range and consisting performance. It is consist of multiple dipole elements and varying their lengths. It is a multiple element directional narrow beam antenna that works in a wide range for frequencies. This antenna is made up of series dipole placed along with the antenna axis at different space intervals of time followed by a logarithm function frequencies. A log period antenna is widely range of applications where variable bandwidth is required along with the antenna gain and directivity. Ideal for applications require broad frequencies coverage such as TV antennas. And the next one is patch antenna. Patch antennas are compact, low profile antennas with a flat surface. Commonly, it is used in the wireless communication systems such as Wi Fi routers and GPS devices. Patch antennas are easy to manufacture and offer good performance for specific frequencies. We can see here in the picture of the patch antennas. And the next is helical antenna. Helical antennas have a three-dimensional spiral structure. It is one of the big antenna and it can provide circular polarization and it will be used in the satellite communications and GPS. The number of turns and spacing in the helix determine the antenna's performance in the helical antenna and their performance. And next one is loop antenna. Loop antennas are the simple antennas with a looped conductor. It is commonly type of antenna. It can be include magnetic loop and electrically small loops. It will be used in the AM radio reception, RFID systems, and portable devices. Here we can see in the picture the loop antenna. And the next one is horn antenna. Horn antennas have a pyramidal or conical shape that helps direct electromagnetic waves. It is commonly used for the microwave applications such as radar and the satellite communication. It offers high gain and good directivity of the point-to-point communication. It is here we can see the picture of the horn antenna, that is pyramidal horn antenna. Let's come to the conclusion part. Understanding the different types of antennas is essential for designing effective communication system. Each type of antenna has a unique characteristics suited for specific applications. Choosing the right antenna type is crucial for achieving the optimal performance and the reliability in the wireless communication. And these antennas are made up of the series of the dipoles placed along with the antenna axis at the different space intervals of the time, followed by a logarithmic functions of a frequencies. Thank you.